Hello all, welcome back to Saturn's Kitchen. Today we are making Haitian rice and beans, also known as Diri, kole. Before I started recording, I went ahead and boiled 1 cup of red kidney beans. You don't want to overboil your beans, you want it to be as hard and soft, just like from the can. Boiling your beans will be the longest step. After that, everything else will move along pretty fast. In a pot that will hold at least 4 cups of water, drizzle 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Allow your oil to get hot before adding in a cutting from 1 green onion. These steps should all be done on medium heat. After your green onion, you are going to want to add in 1 tablespoon of garlic paste or freshly minced garlic. Combine these ingredients together before adding in a cup of your cooked, boiled red kidney beans. Allow your beans to cook in for about a minute before adding in 2 tablespoons of epis. For those who don't know what epis is, it is a Haitian marinade, and I have a recipe on my channel that will be linked below in the comment section. Mix in your epis and then allow the beans in the epis to simmer for about 5 minutes on medium heat. After it simmers down, add in 1.5 teaspoons of adobo seasoning. On a side note, I'm gonna let you all know that I don't like bland food. I like seasoned food. So because of this fact, the measurements that I am using will ensure that your food is seasoned. However, if the seasoning is too much, please adjust it to your liking. After your adobo is added, allow your beans to simmer down for another 5 minutes before adding in 4 cups of boiled bean water. Honestly, you can't have Haitian red rice and beans without the boiled bean water, so I really hope everyone saved their boiled bean water as I encouraged at the beginning of the video. After adding in your 4 cups, add in a sprig of thyme and then a whole scotch bonnet pepper, which you will not cut into, you will just leave whole. To continue to add flavor, crush in 1.5 cubes of Maggi bouillon. Give your water a nice mix before adding in a 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. So this next ingredient is my secret weapon, and I guarantee you it will make your rice poppin'. Add in 3 teaspoons of scotch bonnet sauce, and it must be Grace's scotch bonnet sauce. Anything else will definitely fall short. Once all of the ingredients are added in, I would encourage everyone to taste their water, because this is the adjustment step right here. If anything needs to be adjusted, this is where you would adjust it. If you need to add more seasoning, or if you want to actually dilute your seasoning by adding in more water, this is where you would do it. After everything is adjusted, allow your water to come to a boil. After it comes to a boil, you are going to want to rinse out 2 cups of jasmine rice. It has to be jasmine. So I'm gonna say it again, jasmine rice, 2 cups. So you're gonna wash out 2 cups of jasmine rice and then add it into the boiled mixture. So there is a science behind making rice. When I was learning how to make rice, my mom always told me that if I overmix my rice, it is guaranteed to come out overcooked. Whether that's true, I don't know. So I will share this. Only mix your rice when you initially add it in. Try not to overmix and simply allow the rice to soak in the water. Once the rice soaks in the water, I would give it a slight mix again and then steam it by covering it with a lid and lowering your heat to low. So your rice will cook for about 20 minutes, more or less. However, once it is done, you will have this beautiful, delicious pot of rice. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe button and leave your comments below. Thank you.